Well, our class starts in like 2 minutes, but we decided to show everyone these. You go first.
Chlamydia! Yay! You.
Egg cell. Sperm cell.
Gangrene!
You've seen stuffed animals hump each other in Walmart? Never as awesome as these.
We can actually make something.
Ooh, but not gangrene. They can, however, lead to herpes, or getting chlamydia, or HPV, or syphilis, but they cannot lead to penicillin.
Penicillin is how you cure all of them.
Well, I don't know about these two.
Yeah, you can't cure them too.
Or this one might eat it. It'd be like,
women are born with these.
men just have these.
And let's put them together. Hey, guess what? We just
You change its diaper. Here you go. Change the diaper right now. It's Kim's child. This one's mine. We have twins, egg and sperm. Okay, we're done. Bye.